Hey, let me show you what to do if you cannot connect your Samsung A27 5G into your TV. So it's actually quite simple. First of all, you'll have to start by opening the settings. Now scroll all the way down for the general management, go for the reset, and I can highly recommend you to perform the reset of the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. It's necessary because to the TV connection we are using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now, when you did it, you will have to go back from this one, simply go for the connections, open Wi-Fi, and connect it just one more time with the Wi-Fi network. Now, keep in mind that you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your phone and on your TV. Next, go back and make sure that you are gonna turn on the Bluetooth and also check if your device is not on the block pairing request list, just in case. Now go back from this one, open that connected devices, go for the smart view, now turn on your TV and click on the three dots and select settings. Now go for the labs and simply make sure that you are going to enable the Chromecast support, because sometimes when you have the Chromecast TV and you didn't enable it, you will be not able to be connected. Right now, just simply go here for the list and wait for this searching. Now, if your TV appears here, you will have to just tap on it and simply accept the pairing request. If you got some problems, you can also try to perform a software update of your phone, or you can try to perform a simple restart of your phone.